How to use it, please follow me.
Open the battery cover. Put on the battery. Put on your headset. Turn on the fetal Doppler. Put a little coupling gel to the faceplate of probe. Then, move the transducer slowly over the lower part of the abdomen to detect the fetal heartbeat. You can turn up or turn down the sound by operating the Power On button. Record fetal heartbeat sound. Connect Doppler's audio jacket to your cell phone or PC. Turn on the recorder to record fetal heartbeat sound. Tips of using. Make sure the probe surface contacted with skin fully. Gel or water is suggested to put on the probe faceplate. Please follow below diagram to find the best position of the fetal heart. Suggested time for pregnant mom to detecting fetus heartbeat. Within 30 minutes after getting up. Within 1 hour after having lunch. Within 30 minutes before go to bed. Thank you for watching. For more details, please read the manual.